Hello, and welcome to another training where I teach you about the ways to be able to make money online. Now, what I'm going to be talking about today will help you without even having to use Clickbank or running ads. Some people have been able to even generate up to $9,000 per month with this method. If this is your first time on the channel, of course, thank you for being here. I put this channel together to teach you the right ways to build your online business, ways that make sense, the ways that I've been learned and have been using. What I want to do today is to break down my strategy, the methods that I use in online business. This method doesn't require ClickBank or ads, so if that's something that interests you, then definitely stick around. Now, before I jump in, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel to make sure you don't miss out when I release videos. It's also a good way to help by hitting the like button. It can help make my videos get discovered by other people just like you who are starting their online business. Now, let's talk about the method I'm using. Like I said earlier, it doesn't require ClickBank, which is a popular affiliate network. Lots and lots of people use offers from ClickBank. The thing to keep in mind is ClickBank is an affiliate network. Now, obviously, I don't see anything wrong with that or with affiliate marketing in general. It isn't a bad way to make money online, and it's in fact a big part of what I do. All I'll say is that affiliate marketing has changed and will continue to evolve and change and requires a different approach than it did 5 or 10 or even 20 years ago. At the end of the day, affiliate marketing has been a staple of my business to generate significant revenue through. We are also going to need a few things, however. So the first thing we need is recurring income. Now that means we don't need to promote just one product, but we need to promote a product that allows us to get products and recurring income. We don't want to be promoting only a one commission deal, which is a lot of what ClickBank products are. These products only allow you to make money once without a chance of making any additional revenue. This isn't helpful for us if we want to build a business that generates thousands of dollars each day. Now, to be clear, I'm not guaranteeing you that you will make any certain amount of money. I'm just saying you need recurring revenue to build a strategy to get to that level. The second thing we need is something called stickiness. Now, this essentially means we answer the question of how long can we get someone to stay on board after their initial purchase. The longer someone stays with us, the more potential revenue we can generate from them. Now, think about it from gym memberships. There's a reason why the most popular gyms are $10 to $15 a month. If they sell 20,000 memberships at $10 each, not everyone will actually show up. Gyms know that there will be a ton of people who get memberships who don't show up, but keep paying. They also know that some people are going to drop off and stop paying. Another word for this is called breakage. So in thinking about your business, you have to think about breakage. You need to know how many people are going to keep coming back time and time again, and then come up with a plan to keep people paying. Now, there are a few ideas to get people to keep coming back. You could offer additional products and services that your audience will find value. Number 2, you can share relevant, helpful information in the form of social media content and emails. Or you could do something unique that people won't be able to find anywhere else, whether this is better customer service, sharing your story, or developing content that no one else is. One extra sticky product I like to promote is ClickFunnels. This is a software that I use alongside many other online entrepreneurs. The software is $97 a month, and they pay a commission based on that subscription, up to 40% or close to $40 per month per person that's signed up through you. Once someone has built their business in ClickFunnels, it's almost impossible to remove that business from ClickFunnels. This makes it very sticky. This allows you to keep a level of your recurring revenue every month, as people aren't just going to drop off, as there really aren't many other alternatives. Now, the third thing we need is an ecosystem. This is really where my method differs from traditional affiliate marketing. Traditional affiliate marketing allows us to collect a commission when traffic we refer purchases, and we get that traffic to purchase a product that we're an affiliate for, and that's it. The company now has a customer who is going to continue to buy, and we don't need to worry about getting extra commissions on because we're just the affiliate. Now, this one-off commission model works, but it's hard to sustain without a lot of invested into ads to bring in new customers. Ecosystem marketing allows us to generate commissions every time a purchase is made through something different within the ecosystem. In order to get thousands of dollars a day on any platform, you've got to have multiple streams of income. An ecosystem allows you to do just that. From the top, this method allows us to generate recurring revenue with products that are sticky and customers who have multiple opportunities to purchase additional products. Now, if you're wondering how to find an ecosystem to promote that will generate you recurring revenue like we've discussed, I have an option for you to consider, and it's called the Partner with Anthony program, which I've linked in the description for you to learn more about. Now, the Partner with Anthony program definitely is built by a man named Anthony Morrison, who's an 8-figure digital marketer and not only has the opportunity to generate recurring revenue, but he has an ecosystem. He has the capabilities to help you with email marketing, building sales funnels, and ultimately creating a long-term sustainable online business. I've personally taken his course and partnered with Anthony, and it's been a huge benefit to my business. And it hasn't always been easy, and there's definitely a learning curve, but I've gained valuable experience and been able to set up my online business for success. Now, as I mentioned before, I have definitely created a link below that will help you see if it's right for you. I think you will see, but you'll need to take a look and find out for yourself. And as always, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let me know you found this video to be valuable by hitting it. So I'll see you next time.